Now let us discuss the concept of lateral surface area of a cuboid. Cuboid is basically a three-dimensional figure in which we have a rectangular base and a height is given to a rectangle and it will become a cuboid. So now we are discussing the lateral surface area of a cuboid. That means the lateral surface area is the area of all the faces except the top and the bottom. All the four faces on the sides of a cuboid are the lateral surface area, and the top and bottom is ignored. So if in the total surface area of cuboid consists of all the sum of area of 6 faces. But for the lateral surface area, area is equal to the sum of 4 faces. Now let us first name the figure. Let it be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now these are the all vertices of a cuboid, and we see that, and we are supposed to find the lateral surface area. So lateral surface area will be equal to the area of rectangle AHED plus area of rectangle the front face, that means ABGH plus area of rectangle EFCD plus area of rectangle FGBC. That means the face AHED plus ABGH, the back face, the front face, that is DCFE plus the side face, that means FGBC, are the 4 faces that are to be included in the lateral surface area. This is dimension L, this is B, and this is H. Now the area of AHED is, now it is breadth into height, and similarly area of ABGH, it is L into H plus area of rectangle EFCD is L into H plus area of FGBC is L is B into H, or we can say 2 times BH plus 2 times LH, or we can say 2 times B plus L into H. So this is the lateral surface area. Area of a cuboid, it is equal to twice the sum of length plus breadth into the height of the cuboid. So this is how we can find the lateral surface area of a cuboid when the dimensions of the cuboid are length is L, breadth is B, and height is H. Now let us discuss a question on this concept. Suppose we are given a cubical box of H 10 cm and another cuboidal box with dimension 12.5 cm, 10 cm and 8 cm. We are supposed to find that which of these boxes has a greater lateral surface area and by how much it is greater. That means we have to find the lateral surface area of a cubical box and the lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now let us discuss the LSA of a cube. LSA of a cube is equal to 4 side square, because in a cube all the faces are squares and each square has a side S. So the area of one face is side square and there will be 4 faces, so the area is 4 side square, and we know that in the cube S is equal to 10 cm. So LSA of cube will be equal to 4 into 10 square, that means 4 into 100, or we can say 400 centimeter square. Now for the LSA of a cuboid. We have just derived that the formula for the LSA is 2 times L plus B into H, and in this case the L is 12.5 centimeter, B is 10 centimeter and H is 8 centimeter. So LSA will be equal to 2 into 12.5 plus 10 into 8. So it will be 2 into 22.5 into 8. Now 22.5 means 2 into 5 is 0, 1 carry, and 2 into 2 4 plus 1 5, that means 45 into 8, it will be 8 5s are 60, 8 5s are 40, 0 4 carry, 8 4s are 32 plus 4 36, it will be 360 centimeter square. Now the LSA of a cube is 400 centimeter square and LSA of the cuboid is 360 centimeter square. So we find that LSA of cube is greater than the LSA of cuboid, and the difference is LSA of cube minus LSA of cuboid. So it will be equal to 400 minus 360, or that is 40 centimeter square. So this is how we can calculate the lateral surface area of a cube and lateral surface area of a cuboid. Then we have related these two, as it was asked in the question which box will have the greater lateral surface area. So we have seen that the lateral surface area of a cube is greater than the lateral surface area of a cuboid, and by how much, to calculate by how much, we have subtracted the lateral surface area of a cuboid from the lateral surface area of a cube. So 400 minus 360 came out to be 40 centimeter square. So this is how we can apply the concept of the lateral surface area of a cuboid when the dimensions are given, that is length, breadth and height is given.